Let's make a couple of different types of cucumber. Do you like yours creamy or do you like it vinegary? Let's do both. Maybe cut your onion up afterward because now I'm crying for my onion. First, we're gonna go ahead and peel our cucumbers and slice them and get them into each bowl. So once you have your cucumbers cut up and into 2 bowls, add your red onion that hopefully you didn't cry over like I did. And we're gonna make the creamy version first. And we're gonna start with a 1/2 cup of sour cream. You could use Greek yogurt instead if you want. To that, we are going to add 1½ tablespoons of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of sugar, or if you want it a little sweeter, you can add more. About 1 tablespoon of dill. Mine just came from the garden, so I'm just gonna use my scissors and just cut it right up in it. Add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Add 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Add 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder. And I like to add a heaping teaspoon of ranch in mine. You don't have to. You just mix this all up. Once you get it up, you just pour it over your cucumber mixture. Now, I always like to leave mine in the fridge for about 30 minutes or so, just to mix the flavors really well. The recipes, most recipes do call for the English cucumbers. These cucumbers are from my garden, and I have like a zillion of them, so that's what we use. And then you just mix this up, and there is the creamy one. Now let's move on to the vinegar-based cucumber salad. We're gonna start with 1/3 cup of white vinegar. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar, 1 tablespoon of water. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 tablespoon of dill, a fresh dill. If you're using dried dill, you might use like 1/4 to 1/2 teaspoon. You can add, literally you can add as much or as little as you want. Get this all mixed together. And then we're gonna pour this over the top of your other cucumber mix. And then both of these you wanna throw in the fridge for about 30 minutes for the flavors to kind of meld together, makes them taste better. But which do you prefer, creamy or the vinegar base? Let me know in the comments.